is because we don't want Nnamdi Kanu to be killing our people again.
Okay.
Our people have died enough.
Yes.
He has no agenda. He has no plans. Nnamdi Kanu is a close. What we want is a peaceful society.
Yes.
Nnamdi Kanu is just sending the youth to go and die unnecessarily.
Over nothing.
He brags that he has atomic bomb. He has this, he has that, he has nothing. And the youth believe him. And he is hiding in UK. He's a British citizen. So we are here today at the British High Commission to submit a letter to the British ambassador that his citizen or her citizen is causing problem here in our country. They have threatened, when I announced that I was going to come here, they threatened to kill my mother and my younger ones. As I'm talking to you now, I don't know if the plan is still on ground. So I'm reporting him to the British ambassador so that he will take it to Her Majesty the Queen and let her know that her citizen is causing problem here for us. Go to my social media page, you see all the threats to my life. We've said it before. We don't want Nnamdi Kanu's pattern in this our country. He told us, he made everybody in the southeast to believe that we should boycott the election, which people accepted. On that day, 2 days to the election, he collected money and then said that the referendum document has been signed, sealed and delivered. That after the election, we are going to have a referendum. It is over 4 years now, or 3 years now after the election.
And he's still selling lies to people.
And he's still telling us again that we should fight for referendum. Which referendum?
By killing soldiers and policemen.
Now, the next strategy he's doing now, he's not killing policemen and he's not killing army men in the southeast. How can you kill policemen and army men and expect them to keep quiet? These are their colleagues. Some of them are their best friends.
And they are defenders of the country.
And the worst part is that even the policeman is killing and the army man is killing are also from the so-called Biafra. So how is he rescuing us? Anyone that says anything in the southeast, he will send his men to go and kill him.
Yeah.
Anyone that says anything in the southeast, he will send his men to go and kill her. Enough is enough. We've had enough of Nnamdi Kanu and we are saying no to him. Yeah. The only way we can register our grievance is to go to his country. His country is Britain. That is the passport he's using. So we are here today at the British Embassy to let them understand that we are not happy with what their son is doing.
Yeah.
IPOB is registered in Britain. So we are calling for an independent investigation towards all the activities of Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu bury people alive in the southeast. Nnamdi Kanu send his stocks to go and kill people. Prophet Woko is dead. They killed him.
Akwara is missing. Akwara is missing.
Akwara was his former boy.
Abambo was kidnapped and they tried to bury her alive.
Because he was against some of his policies, especially to go and be killing police officers and army officers. For what? Is that how many police officers are you going to kill?
Yeah.
How many of them are you going to kill? If you kill, they will still recruit them and put there again. Yeah. So what is the end result of your killing of police officers?
Yes.
So today, we the Igbo youths in Nigeria and in diaspora are here to protest that Nnamdi Kanu's case file must be opened in Britain, so that they will investigate all his atrocities.
Yes.
They will investigate all the allegations we are labeling against him, which are written in this book.
Yeah.
They will investigate everything about him.
Yes.
So that we have a peaceful society. Yeah. We are not slaves anywhere. Yeah. We are free men.
We are free men.
We don't want his activities, and he should stop threatening people.
Yeah.
British government should open the file of all IPOB members. One of them went on social media and he's in Netherlands. His name is Austin Okonkwo. He's in Netherlands. He went to social media and said that he was going to go to Britain and assassinate Uchemefo.
For leaving the criminal organization.
For leaving the criminal organization.
Yeah.
That he's going to kill Uchemefo. He's going to kill, let me open my mouth. He's going to kill Uchemefo. He's going to kill his wife. This video is on YouTube. He's going to kill Uchemefo. He's going to kill his wife. He's going to kill his kids. This is the characteristics of a terrorist. Yeah. This is the characteristics of ISIS. Yeah. IPOB have turned to ISIS. Yeah. And we cannot put our hands and watch them disintegrate Nigeria, Igbo land.
Of course. Thank you, my brother.
Now Aba is on fire.
Yeah.
There was several gunshots and 16 youths died. Yes. These are fathers, these are children. Yes. Since he began his protest, how many people have died? Yeah. A lot of people have died. So we don't want any more deaths. We say Nnamdi Kanu's case must be open. Britain must listen to us today. The ambassador should come out and listen to us and listen to our plea. and bring Nnamdi Kanu to book and his entire crew in IPOB. Again, there's another killer again called China Sanworu.
In Kuwait.
He's in Kuwait. But he is the person that writes the names of those
that they will execute.
Including the names are mostly all the billionaires in Igbo land. Atezonukpo, Emeka Ofo, and the rest of them, many of them are there. I have first-class information about it. So we are calling on the British government to extradite Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
Make him face. They should open a case.
May let him face justice.
We are calling for justice.
Thank you.
You understand?
Not fight, not war.
The death is enough.
Yeah. Enough of the killings.
Our mothers we fought war before.
Yeah.
Our mothers are not used to war.
Yeah.
What we want in the South is anything we want. We have elders. Our elders will sit down and will dialogue and think of how to get us our own share in this country.
Yeah.
So Nnamdi Kanu, we don't want you.
Thank you.
We don't want your ESN.
Yeah.
Amotuku was created in the Southwest. It was created by the Constitution of the Southwest.
Yeah.
Every state House of Assembly in the Southwest sat together and passed a law. You can't just stay in Britain and you create ESN.
And be killing.
Thereby inviting the Nigerian soldiers and army to come and be disturbing our mothers. When your ESN go and strike, they will kill somebody and they will run.
Yeah.
The police will come there and do mass arrest. Be disturbing mothers and fathers. The money where they go use chop, they go use and they pay themselves. We don't want it again. That is why we are here in this British embassy to submit our letter and to also to carry to the ambassador to send our message to Her Majesty the Queen and to send our message to our good friend Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who with so much love and we believe his wisdom. God bless you. God bless Britain. God bless Igbo nation.
Yeah, thank you, my brother, for that wonderful speech. Right now, we are going to ask the security personnel to maybe call someone from the inside to take our petition and submit it to the High Commissioner, the British High Commissioner to Nigeria. We will submit it and make sure that it gets to the appropriate authorities in the UK. And they have to work hand in hand with our Ministry of Foreign Affairs and our ambassador, our High Commissioner to the UK, and make sure that this nonsense is stopped. We cannot continue to live like this. We cannot continue to be seen as savages, beheading of innocent people on camera. When did we become these animals? That's not who we are. We are peaceful people, and if you don't know the history of Nigeria very well, check we Igbo people.